Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the RAIN Financial Expert Advisor presentation. Today, we embark on a journey to discover how our cutting-edge tool can unlock conservative gains for investors and entrepreneurs alike. About us, RAIN is a company committed to educating traders, developing automated systems, and expert advisors for trading in the capital markets, allowing for conservative and consistent gains for our clients. Who do we work with? Traders, educating them on how to effectively trade the capital markets, high net worth individuals, helping open an additional automated revenue stream, individuals seeking or reaching retirement, aspiring filmmakers and entrepreneurs. Our tool is the RAIN Forex Robot, an expert advisor designed to trade the capital markets, specifically Forex. It's not just a tool though. It's your ally in the financial markets. An intelligent software designed to optimize trading, harnessing the power of supply and demand to navigate the complexities of the market. What is an expert advisor? An expert advisor, EA, is a sophisticated software tool designed to assist traders in the financial markets, particularly in Forex trading. It operates on a set of predefined rules and algorithms, analyzing market data and executing trades automatically without the need for constant human intervention. Essentially, it's an intelligent program that aims to make trading more efficient and effective. Versatility and optimization. Unlike traditional trading methods, expert advisors are highly versatile tools that can be tailored to meet a wide range of financial objectives. Whether an investor is looking for conservative gains, funding for a business, or support for a film project, the expert advisor can be programmed to adapt its trading strategy accordingly. The key strength lies in its ability to analyze diverse market conditions and execute trades based on specific parameters, making it a valuable asset for individuals with different financial goals. For conservative investors, the EA can focus on capital preservation and risk management, ensuring steady and secure gains over time. As illustrated in the chart, the bot was able to achieve steady gains over the month of November in 2023. This is a snapshot of the kind of performance to be expected, results not guaranteed. Simultaneously, for entrepreneurs or filmmakers seeking funding, the EA can be optimized to identify and capitalize on market opportunities that align with their financial objectives. Benefits. Positive impact on investment portfolios. Example scenario. An investor with a diverse portfolio seeks to enhance overall returns while managing risk. The EA's conservative trading strategy, based on supply and demand analysis, helps the investor achieve steady and controlled gains. Over time, the positive impact on the investment portfolio becomes evident as the EA consistently identifies profitable opportunities, contributing to a balanced and growing portfolio. Business funding. Example scenario. An entrepreneur is looking to fund a startup or expand an existing business. By utilizing the expert advisor for trading, the entrepreneur can generate an additional income stream. The conservative nature of the EA ensures that profits contribute to the business's capital without exposing it to undue risk. Over time, the cumulative effect of trading gains aids in securing funding for essential business activities, such as product development, marketing, or hiring. Film project budgets. Example scenario. A filmmaker wishes to fund an independent film project but faces budget constraints. Integrating the expert advisor into the financial strategy provides an additional income stream. The EA's adaptability allows it to align with the filmmaker's timeline, trading during specific periods to generate funds. The positive impact on the film project budget becomes evident as trading gains contribute to covering production costs, securing better equipment, or even enhancing the overall quality of the film. Benefits of additional income stream for individuals. Example. Scenario. An individual whether an investor, entrepreneur, or filmmaker, experiences the benefits of an additional income stream facilitated by the EA. This extra income can be used for various purposes, such as debt repayment, clearing outstanding debts, and achieving financial freedom. Education and skill development, investing in personal or professional development to enhance skills or pursue further education. Quality of life improvements, affording luxuries or experiences that contribute to an improved quality of life. Emergency fund, building a financial safety net for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Retirement planning, contributing to long-term financial security and retirement planning. By utilizing the EA's conservative trading approach, individuals can strategically leverage the additional income stream to achieve specific financial goals and enhance their overall financial well-being. How to get started. Purchase the Rain Forex robot and book a consultation for a walkthrough of the Rain installation instructions, or feel free to test it before you buy. You can always download and try our free demo version on MQL5. Trading strategy overview, 24/7 trading, supply and demand. The expert advisor utilizes a trading strategy rooted in the principles of supply and demand, often identifying key levels known as order blocks. Supply and demand zones represent areas in the market where significant buying or selling activity has occurred. The EA is programmed to analyze these zones and make informed trading decisions based on potential price reversals or breakouts. As you can see in the chart, the rectangular boxes at both the top and bottom of the leg in price action represent order blocks. The red order block represents an area or zone of supply, and the green order blocks represent areas of demand. By recognizing and responding to order blocks, the expert advisor aims to capitalize on market movements driven by shifts in supply and demand dynamics. This strategy allows for a more nuanced and responsive approach to trading, aligning with the market's natural ebb and flow, or what can also be known as the algorithm. In this image, you can see the bot in action. It has entered into a trade based on a demand order block denoted by the green box. It profited from this trade denoted by the dotted blue line. Similarly, we can see the same in this image. The bot has entered into a trade based off an area of demand denoted by the green order block. 24/7 trading. The 24/7 trading feature is a distinctive strength of the expert advisor. It means that the bot is operational and capable of executing trades at any time, providing continuous market coverage. This feature is particularly advantageous in the global financial markets, where different time zones and market sessions influence price movements. Users have the flexibility to set the starting time for the bot based on their preferences or market analysis. As you can see in the image, the Rain Forex robot allows you to select how many trades you would like to take, as well as allows you to decide when you want the bot to trade and stop trading according to Central Standard Time. Whether initiating trades at the start of a specific session or aligning with market events, the 24/7 trading feature ensures that the EA is always ready to act on trading opportunities. Adaptability. One of the key strengths of the expert advisor lies in its adaptability for diverse investment purposes. The EA's original settings may be configured for the 1-minute chart, trading the EUR-USD currency pair. However, users have the freedom to customize the time interval for trading and adjust RSI, moving averages, and trend strength, allowing them to align the bot with their specific investment goals and risk preferences. Whether the user is focused on short-term intraday trading or seeks a more extended time horizon, the advisor can be adjusted to cater to different trading styles. This adaptability makes the expert advisor a versatile tool that accommodates a wide range of investment strategies and trading instruments, and allows for conservative wealth preservation to more dynamic approaches for business or film project funding. In summary, the expert advisor's trading strategy based on supply and demand, order blocks, and its 24/7 trading feature, coupled with adaptability, creates a powerful tool that can cater to the diverse needs and preferences of users across various investment purposes. Capital conservatism. The expert advisor employs several key elements to ensure conservative trading, prioritizing the preservation of capital and minimizing potential risks. 1. Supply and demand analysis. The trading strategy is grounded in supply and demand dynamics, which inherently leans towards conservative trading. By identifying key levels and order blocks, the EA seeks to enter trades at points where significant market movements are more likely, reducing the reliance on speculative or high-risk positions. 2. Time-tested indicators. The EA may integrate time-tested indicators that help filter out noise and focus on high-probability trades. These indicators contribute to the conservative nature of the trading strategy by emphasizing well-established market signals. As you can see in the image, the Reneé Forex robot allows you to select the timeframes in which you would like the bot to operate, including and allowing for multiple timeframe selections, providing top-down analysis. 3. Conservative entry and exit points. The expert advisor is programmed to enter and exit trades at conservative points based on trend strength, RSI, and moving averages, avoiding unnecessary exposure to volatile market conditions. This approach helps safeguard against sudden and adverse price movements. As you can see in the image, the Reneé Forex robot allows you to adjust the trend strength, including trend validation period, depth, which relates to the bot's ability to view the depth of the order book, deviation, which relates to the time between the execution of trades, and backstep. Additionally, you're able to set 2 moving averages and RSI, or otherwise known as the Relative Strength Index. The bot works in tandem or analyzes the market with these indicators and only enters into trades based off of the parameters set for these indicators. Risk management. The risk management settings play a crucial role in preserving wealth and facilitating funding objectives. Here are the specific risk management strategies implemented. Initial risk. The EA starts with an initial risk of 5 pips and takes 5% once reaching 5 pips. Break-even mechanism. To further mitigate risk, the EA employs a break-even mechanism to enhance risk management. Once the trade reaches 5 pips, the stop loss is moved to above break-even at 1 pip. This ensures that, at a certain point of profit, the trade becomes essentially risk-free. Scaling out. To further mitigate risk, the advisor employs a scaling out strategy. It has 3 take-profit points denoted by fixed take-profit. In the example, settings when the trade is at 30 pips, the EA will secure another 25% in profit of the position, reducing exposure. Trailing stop loss. The trailing stop loss mechanism is activated after the trade reaches 10 pips. The EA will initiate a 5-pip trailing stop loss, dynamically adjusting to market conditions. This strategy aims to lock in profits while allowing for potential further gains. By combining these risk management strategies, the expert advisor not only focuses on wealth preservation for conservative investors, but also facilitates funding objectives for entrepreneurs or filmmakers. The systematic approach to risk helps strike a balance between capital protection and the pursuit of gains, aligning with a diverse range of financial goals. Case study. On this screen, the bot had the following risk settings for the month of November in 2023. At 5 pips, 5% profit is taken. At 10 pips, 80% profit is taken. The bot is set to keep running after 10 pips with a 5-pip trailing stop loss, with stop loss moved to 1 pip above break-even at 5 pips. The same logic applies to the other settings represented on the next slides. Simulations for the month of November in 2023. How to get started. Purchase the Rain Forex robot and book a consultation for a walkthrough of the Rain installation instructions, or feel free to test it before you buy. You can always download and try our free demo version on MQL5. I will now leave the floor for questions. I hope we can help you achieve your financial goals with our expert advisor. If you have any issues whatsoever, please feel free to contact us at rain@agency.co